back to the channel, me and car keys. So I'm really excited about today's video. I'm up early. I'm super excited about this video. But first of all, I want to shout out the sponsor of today's video, which is RockyMountainGraphics.com. So for the last 6 months, I've been looking for this graphic to go on the side of my truck. And I haven't been able to find it anywhere. Nobody has it. Nobody can make it. And so I reached out to RockyMountainGraphics.com. And sure enough, they emailed me back and said, hey, we have that graphic that you need in stock, can ship it out to you in a couple days. I said, awesome, no problem. So therefore, I want to shout out RockyMountainGraphics.com. Now, if you need any graphics for your vehicle, whether that be F-150, whether that be Mustangs, pretty much all Fords. They also have products for Chevys, Camaros. They also have Dodge, they have Rams, they have Challenger graphics. They have all kind of graphics that you could possibly think of. So reach out to RockyMountainGraphics.com. I will leave the link in the description below. And tell them Rashid sent you. Me and car keys. All right, y'all, let me show you what we got. We have instructions. Awesome. All right, so this is what we got from RockyMountainGraphics.com. It is the side Roush-like decal that goes on the bottom of the door. So it's gonna span all the way across here at the bottom and kind of curve up under so that it kind of looks like it disappears. Per the instructions, I did do step 1 already. I washed the car first and then I used rubbing alcohol. Number 2, I made my weighting solution. Number 3, sprayed the weighting solution. Pretty straightforward instructions. Let's get it. Woohoo! I like it. I like it a lot. That's what I'm talking about. It actually looks pretty centered for the most part. All right, y'all, I'm pleasantly surprised at how easy this is coming together. If you look here, the point of this graphic is that it's supposed to look like it kind of just disappears up under. So I had to pull it down, having to pull it down to where it is just on the edge at the bottom, so that it looks like it's just kind of, curved up under. Then I have a homemade squeegee. It's basically a card on the inside wrapped up in a towel so that I don't actually tear the graphic. And I'm just gonna go up, squeeze all the water out, all the soap water out. So this is somewhat of a slow process. Take your time. I mean, you don't want to rip the graphic, so you just kind of take your time and squeeze all the water out. Hey y'all, so here's the scary part of the video. So I got the graphic all in, got the water squeegeed out for the most part. Now you see this graphic spans across 2 doors. I have my X-Acto knife here because I have to cut right there so I can open the door. Yeah, it's a little scary, a little scary, but we're gonna take our time. If I could do one straight cut down the middle and then fold it back in under the doors, we'll be all right. I might not film this part. Yeah, I like the way it looks. Now it's just a little subtle difference, something to kind of break up the silver, because of course there's a lot of silver on this truck. So I got this side done. I had to work. I had to cut here in the door, and I'm gonna have to work it in a little bit better and kind of roll the edge in a little bit better. Still working on that. But overall, I am very satisfied with how it looks. Yeah, it came out very, very nice. I like it. It kind of gives it a different kind of feel to it. Now, it kind of gives it a different feel, kind of similar to the Roush F-150s that came out in 2016, 2017. Now, before anybody asks, I'm not turning this truck into a Roush. It's not fast enough for that. So, but I do like certain elements of the Roush, like the graphic and some other things they have on the Roush that makes it look better. And so the last step in the directions said to let your truck sit for at least 72 hours in direct sunlight to allow it to stick properly. I've been out here for what took me about 30 minutes to do this. I did have some issues trying to cut this little slit here between the doors. What I did was I cut it and kind of folded it over. I might try to heat up the edges and see if I can get it to be a little smoother. But other than that, I had no issues. Tips that I can give: watch out for your fingernails. Your fingernails, as you kind of smoothen the water out, your fingernails can kind of cut it. So overall, it looks good. I like it. Shout outs again to RockyMountainGraphics.com. If you need any graphics for your vehicle, they have everything. Like I said, they have Ford, they have Dodges, they have Chevys, they have all kind of graphics for all kind of vehicles. They have all different colors. I didn't say that before. They have all different colors. I went with matte black. They also have gloss black. They have pink. They even have carbon fiber. They have every graphic that you can think of in every color that you can think of. So shout out to RockyMountainGraphics.com. Check out their website. I'll leave the link in the description as always. Now I have to do the other side. Then I'll be done. So once again, thank you for watching another video on me and car keys. For more content like this, please subscribe, leave me a comment. What do you think about this graphic? Because I like it. Till next time, thanks for watching. Yeah, of course, right after I put the decals on the truck, it rains. It says 72 hours before you wash it, and of course it's gonna rain. Yeah, great.